My name is Jenica, and I'm the Operations and Education Coordinator for Orbotix. We make Sphero. It's a robotic ball that you control with your smart device. It works on iOS or Android, and it runs on Bluetooth. So you can put Sphero down here, and at its most basic, you can drive it around. We've got lots of different games for it. It has an accelerometer, a Bluetooth chip, and a gyroscope inside. So that provides us lots and lots of streaming sensor data, and allows us to talk back to the robot. We're just starting to work out in the education market. It works everything from preschoolers learning that they can put a physical input into a device and something else in the real world will react. So they can draw a shape and Sphero will follow that. Up into, we've got a pretty basic programming interface here that uses blocks of code, roll commands to roll at a certain speed for a certain amount of time, change colors. We can turn the stabilization on and off and all kinds of things. So I'm just going to do a square here. And so it's going to go ahead at 0 degrees. It's going to go right, it's going to turn to 90 degrees and go to the right. It's going to turn to 180 and come back. It's going to go to, it'll go to 170 and go left. So you can program Sphero to do all kinds of autonomous things as well with our program called Orbotix. It uses the old BASIC language. And so you can use like the computer on board to, say, calculate all the prime numbers. Build simple code. This is about 12 lines of code. And so now we have an output that's got all of the prime numbers up to 199. We can also do things like program Sphero to drive at a certain heading for a certain amount of time. If it hits a wall, we can do if-then statements. If you hit a wall, then change colors, turn 130 degrees, and drive off in another direction until you hit another wall, then change colors again, head off in another heading. We also have API and SDK, so anyone can program a game for Sphero, or they can build their own utilities for Sphero, works with web languages,
very cool,
mobile, everything.